On behalf of the entire team, welcome to HELI-EXPO 2011.
The 407GX was created in response to general industry trends and growing demand throughout the commercial sector for advanced cockpit technologies. The 407GX more than meets those demands, integrating glass cockpit displays from Garmin with a full suite of safety-enhancing technologies, certified.
Bell Helicopter is on a mission, and our mission is to ensure that you are successful in yours.
How did DEH get here? Well, it came here because we listened to our customers.
At Bell, we all play to win, and we define winning as making you successful. Thank you very much, and enjoy the show.